Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a keyboard problem in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's get started. I want to fix my keyboard problem. I'm using Windows 10 right now. So if you have a problem with your keyboard, maybe your keyboard has a dust, and maybe your keyboard there is a key or button that not working. So you can use on-screen keyboard. So you can type here to search, just type key, and this one on-screen keyboard. So you can use this as on-screen keyboard as the substitute of your broken keyboard, broken hardware. So for example, if you don't have, or if your the O key or O button disable, you can use this freely. Just click it. And also there is a option here when you can turn off use click sound, show keys to make it easier to move around the screen, turn on numeric keypad here, and so on. So you can feel free to adjust it. And of course there is a keyboard setting. You can type here again keyboard, or you can just ease of access, sorry, this one, and you can turn on the toggle keys, sticky keys, and also you can use filter keys here in the keyboard on settings. So still, if you think your keyboard is fine, I mean the devices is fine and you cannot use it, you can try to uninstall the keyboard driver. Just go to the device manager, click, and try to search the keyboard here. This one, you can try to uninstall the device and then scan for hardware change, so the keyboard's driver will reinstall automatically. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so thanks button below. See you in the next video.